Please don't. Please. ¡Pero qué coño! ¡No dejéis que se
What the hell is this thing? Clothesline in the corner! I'll handle the counter. Not the position you want to be in right now. Unmitigated demonstration.
Fight. KO.
We have to choose. Now!
I'm so sorry.
You should have stayed home. Great. Shitheads to beat up.
Hot on the roof, cover me.
He's down.
No, powers this down. Watch yourself. Spread out and look. Watch it. Another one down.
Taking you down! Trigger! Yeah. Killed him! Gotta
vehicle there.
And we landed! Where'd he go?
Assault carries a high probability of death. I've seen security systems like this before, Charles. I can get around it.
Kill it! Sorry! Kill it! Sorry! Watch over me, Mother!
Get down, fucker! Got you now! Get in there!
What? Never seen you do that. I don't like it, but I always end up having to do it.
Look, it's another chapel.
No, some kind of temple. Let's go assassinate. We must find a path to the fort.
The Count doesn't know they want to hurt him.
He knows how these people work.
Over here! Don't let him get away!